This is day... What day is it?
4.
This is day 4.
And earlier I was eating Doritos and mommy was...
We're preparing because we're gonna go to the beach. And then later today, where are we going?
Ewa Beach.
We're going to Jenna and Jirah's house. Ninang Nadine's house.
Yep. Really excited. We're going really early to the beach, and then for dinner, like what my dad said, we're gonna go to Jenna and Jirah's house to eat dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I'm gonna buy them with this $5.
Okay.
Daddy started to put sunscreen on me.
See you later.
One? Yes. Going down. Going down. Hello.
You guys excited?
Yeah, I'm wearing this dress and it was from a long time ago.
Dining in.
I'm so excited.
It's called Kuhio. You have pancake?
Yep.
And you?
Fruit. I got the healthy one.
What's that?
I got the healthy one.
I know.
And I got the sweet and salty one.
Breakfast is good?
Yep. And then, and now I might bring this.
It's a fruit fly.
You're gonna be
You
careful
have
because
to
you might
ask
drop
for
it.
a lid if they have a lid.
We're in the beach now. Well, we go to the beach every day.
Hi, kid.
Oh, hi, Dad. Oh, look. Guys, wait. Let me just wash my eyes.
I can't go underneath.
Guys. Fuzzy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Many hours later.
Were your eyes open? Did you see me? Did you see me? You open your eyes. Ready? Okay, Sissy, 3. Look at me.
Two hours later.
Say hi, Sissy.
Hello, Michaela.
Hi.
After
So
swimming.
after swimming, we're gonna eat, and then after we're eating, we're gonna go back to the hotel and take a nap, and then after that, we're gonna go to Jenna and Jirah's house to eat dinner.
Yes.
Oh, my eyes feel
But
so itchy.
what are we eating today?
Sushi.
What about you? Are you eating sushi too?
No, I'm eating karaage.
What's karaage?
It's a boneless fried chicken.
What do you have there, Pika?
Chicken karaage. Karaage.
Good.
It's so crispy. Look at it.
Where are we right now?
Spell karaage. We're in, what's this called, Mom?
There you go, that's your...
Yep. Oh, and this is my rice for my chicken karaage. Look, this is Dad's and me and Dad's.
So take a bite. Tell them how it tastes.
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
So this is my chicken karaage and that's my rice. Right here. This is. I tried this. It's so hot, guys. It's hot, guys. And also, the sauce is green.
Is that wasabi? Oh wait, no it isn't.
See the green sauce.
It's probably cilantro or something, or green onion,
Onion.
or chives.
Chives.
Good? You like it?
It's very good.
One nap later.